Upon entering the game homepage, the players will see the title English Spelling Game at the top of the page. Below, there is a field to enter their name and a drop-down menu to select the game difficulty level. Below these input areas, there are 4 green buttons labeled Start Game, Change Player Name, View Records, Clear Records. The first step, players need to enter their name to begin the game. They should input their name in the text field labeled Player Name. Players can input any characters, including Chinese, English, numbers, and punctuation marks. Second step, players can select the difficulty level of English words from the drop-down menu labeled Select Level, which include 3 levels: Beginner, Intermediate, Advanced. This choice will affect the difficulty of the words in the game. Once selected, players can proceed to start the game. Once the game starts, players can only click the Submit Answer and Hint button. The question will be in Chinese. The players need to answer in English. The question will appear in the middle, and players can input their answer in the box below. After entering their answer, players can click the Submit Answer button to submit it and proceed to the next question. If the player's answer is correct, correct will appear below, indicating a correct answer. If the player's answer is incorrect, incorrect will appear below, along with the correct answer. Each question will provide 2 hints, each revealing a random letter from the word. Players can click the Hint button to use a hint. When no hints have been used, it will display hint times 2, indicating 2 remaining hints. After using the first hint, it will display hint times 1, indicating 1 remaining hint, along with the revealed letter and its position in the word. After using both hints, the hint button will no longer be clickable, and the second letter with its position will be revealed. Each level consists of 5 questions, with each question worth 20 points, totaling 100 points. After answering all 5 questions, the player's score and time taken will be displayed. Depending on the score, feedback such as perfect, great, cool, or bad will be shown. After finishing the game, players can click the Restart Game button to play again. Click the Restart Game button will return players to the home page. Their name and previously selected difficulty level will be retained. Players can choose to input their new game, new name again, or select a different difficulty level before clicking the Start Game button to begin a new game. If players want to change their name, they can click the Change Player Name button. After click the Change Player Name button, a text box will appear for players to input their new name. They can click Confirm to change their name. If they decide not to change their name, they can click Proceed. After the player enters the new name, player name will display the new name entered by the player. To view game records, players can click the View Records button. Upon click the View Records button, all historical game player records will appear below. It includes the player's name, the score, the selected difficulty level, the date of game player, the time of game player, and the total time spent by the player. This allows players to review their learning progress. If players wish to delete their historical gameplay records, they can click the Clear Records button located on the right. After clicking the Clear Records button, a confirmation box will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to clear all game records, players must confirm their decision by clicking Confirm to proceed with clearing the records, or they can click Cancel if they decide not to delete the records. Once players confirm their decision to delete the records and click Confirm again, the message No Game Records will appear below, indicating that all historical gameplay records have been successfully deleted.